When we're thinking of earning money, we always think about working and draining ourselves. It is often associated with a 9 to 5 lifestyle and tight budgeting. It is time and energy consuming. However, a lot of people do not know that you can also earn money without exerting too much effort and time. In this video, I will teach you how you can earn money online without spending a lot of time and energy. With this method, you just need to watch internet videos on the internet and you will be able to earn dollars. This is an easy way to earn money online. You will find it mind-blowing as money will come right into your pocket without exerting too much effort. Of course, everyone enjoys watching online. Thus, this technique will really be easy. It has a great income potential of $1,000. What's great about this technique is that you won't need to invest anything. You can earn money without putting any capital. Aside from that, it is also available worldwide and you can use whatever device is at your disposal for this hack. This strategy is really convenient and easy to do. Lastly, you do not need any prior experience or technical expertise to participate in this online money-making strategy. So, stay tuned in this video and do not exit so that you will not miss any important information. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. The first thing that you should do is to visit the website called gg2u.org. On its homepage, you will immediately see how you can make money from this site. You will earn rewards from answering surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. The rewards program will allow you to earn GG2U coins for accomplishing some easy tasks. As I said, these tasks revolve around answering surveys and trying out games. This platform is really convenient because you can choose how you want to get paid. It can be through PayPal, e-gift cards, or other options. This site also takes pride with its payout rate of 65 to 85, which is the highest among their competitors. To prove this, try signing up on the website and it will give you a sign-up bonus of $1. This is really a great website. When I first heard about this, I actually stopped breathing because it's really amazing website. With a 65 to 85 payout rate, you can actually say that this is a hidden online gem. You will also earn money from its sign-up process. Imagine you didn't do anything hard and yet you already have a bonus. Nothing will be better than that. Now, let us start with the sign-up process. Luckily, the sign-up interface is located on its homepage. You do not need to click anything to start it. You just need to fill up the necessary information on the page including your name, email address, username, and password. You also need to choose your country of origin. After that, just tick the box that says that you have read and agreed to the privacy policy and membership agreement of the site. Once you are done, you just need to click the sign up button. See, the sign up process is really easy and you will get compensated already for doing it. Once you already sign up, you will receive a warm greeting on the site. It will reiterate the perks of joining this site. According to this site, you will receive $1 for every 100 points that you earn. When you finally reach $7, you will be able to cash out your money. Again, you need to make at least 700 points in order to cash out through your desired payment option. Do not worry because 700 points are very easy to generate. You will be able to earn $7 really quick. Now, you just need to click the continue button and you will get redirected to another page. In this page, you will see the things that you need to do in order to start earning money. Again, there are a lot of methods that you can do to make money online. Among these methods, I encourage you to focus on watching videos because it's pretty easy. Aside from that, we all love watching videos, so this is really win-win situation for us. You will just play a video and you will earn fat stacks of cash. Of course, you can also try other methods on this site. The choice is really yours to make. Since you already have access to these tasks, you can now start your own money-making journey. Just scroll through these tasks. You will notice that they are not related to watching videos. Meanwhile, this is the place where you can monitor your earnings so that you will easily know when it is the right time to cash out your money. To start earning your first 700 points, scroll down on the page. You will find various companies embedded on this site such as OfferToro, AdGem, CPX Research, and many more. These companies will allow you to earn money since they are the ones containing the necessary tasks that you need to accomplish. Now, let me give you an example. Let us press this AdSend Media company. Once we are done, you will be redirected to another page where we can fulfill offers and tasks. We can try to pursue surveys, downloading mobile apps, free trials, and many more. Again, watching videos will be the focus of this video. Hence, you should click the icon that says Video. It will lead you to another page where you can watch various videos to make money online. Look at this. You will be able to receive a silver coin when you earn 200 points. The silver coin will add $1 to $3 to your account. Not just that, but you can also scroll down more to see this section below. This section is where you can complete their offers to earn more video points. Again, there are a lot of categories available for you. There will always be something of interest to you. Just browse these offers and choose the best video for you. They even have viral videos from the internet. There are also videos about food. These offers will never bore you out. You will be able to chill and watch while you can earn money on the side. There are many videos at your disposal that you will surely earn a lot from. You can also generate more results by pressing the Load More button. Once you press it, you will get more video results that you can freely watch to earn some dollars. Again, you can watch as many videos as you like. Thus, your earning opportunity is limitless. It's really amazing, right? Now, let me give you an example. Let us choose this one, Hideout TV Chillax. Press the orange button and you will get redirected to a new page. On this page, you will be able to watch the video. In turn, you will also earn points from this. Again, the points will be converted into real cash, so you just need to earn more points in order to get more money. Basically, you just need to watch as many videos as possible. When you do, your revenue will increase and you will achieve financial independence. It's very easy. So what are you waiting for? Today is the right time to start your own online money-making journey.
Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.